Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to friend someone in Clash Royale. There are a few different ways you can add friends. First of all, open your Clash Royale app on your device, and once you are inside this page, tap on the three human icon at the top right corner. This will then open up your social tab. Tap on Invite Friend. You will then be able to see a little pop-up from where you can tap on Copy. You have now copied your invitation link. You can now share the generated link with your friends via messaging application, social media, etc. When your friend clicks the link, they'll be added to your friend list in the game. Another way you can add friends is through your Supercell ID. Open up Clash Royale and make sure that it is connected to Supercell ID. If you haven't connected to Supercell ID, you can simply go to the top right corner and tap on the menu button from the home page of Clash Royale. In the pop-up, click on Settings. Within the Settings menu, if you haven't connected to Supercell ID, you will be able to see a Connect button instead of Connected. Tap on the Connect button and follow through the steps to connect to a Supercell ID. Once you're connected, and after you see the Connected button, simply tap on it. You will end up in this screen where you can tap on Friends. Inside the Friends tab, tap on the Add button in blue. You will then be able to see your QR code. To add your friend via QR code, simply tap on the Scan QR code button and with the help of your device's camera, scan your friend's QR code to add them as your friend. You may also tap on the Share Link to Profile button and then select a contact or simply copy the link and use any messaging application to invite your friends. After following these steps, you will be able to add friends or friend someone in Clash Royale. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more Clash Royale tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.